morning traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Might be the afternoon when you see this, so good afternoon. We're just going to run over the economic outlook that's coming out today and this week. So we're going to start with, we're just going to concentrate on the key news using an economic calendar that's found in the Eightcap client portal. So it's available to all clients that trade with us. And so by using it, we just can see today for Monday, there's no high impact events. So we're going to move on to Tuesday. And just by clicking on Tuesday, we can see we have the RBA meeting minutes. So I think traders likely will be interested to see the comments from the RBA, how they're seeing things at the moment. There's a lot of expectation for potential rate cuts coming up. So I think the market will be looking to see if there's any hints around that, and if we will see, hints around that possibility opening up in the second half of this year. There's a fair bit of bets going on that could be the case. Otherwise, will we see them come into the first half of 2025? So moving on to the onto Wednesday, we have Bank of Canada, the BOC Consumer Price Index coming out, and the CPI coming out as well for Canada. So looking for 3.2% there. And into Thursday, we have probably the highlight of the week, which is the FOMC meeting minutes. And I think that the market will be looking for, similar to what we're running over with the RBA minutes. How is the Fed seeing inflation at the moment? How they're seeing some of the recent data coming through at the moment? We had a bit of a shock with the CPI data coming in higher than expected, but the comments out of the Fed after that data release were quite calming. And but then on Friday we saw selling coming to the market. So I think the traders will be looking to see, what comes out of the FOMC minutes, and then just to gauge any idea about how long policy will stay this restrictive for, and if there is any idea if they're seeing inflation coming under control and the economy is cooling to a degree where they could see rates remain on hold for a period of time, or even when they could see a cut. So I think there'll be a lot of interest in the minutes coming up on Thursday. So then we have a lot of data coming out through the EU, Germany, France, and through Great Britain, which is the flash services and manufacturing PMI data, and that will be coming out throughout the day. Some good ones in there. If there is a bit of differential in what we see in the data to what's expected, can see a bit of movement, and it does also show you how things are tracking in this period of time with the services sector and manufacturing sector. So I think that the French and German data is usually highly viewed, and also the UK data as well. So moving on to Friday. So Friday we have the US side of that, which is the flash services PMI and manufacturing PMI as well, and then we have retail sales coming out for New Zealand as well, and that's it for the week. It's a lot quieter week than last week. So I think the keys will be the RBA minutes and the FOMC, and also that flash data coming out. So, and if you are trading the CAD, definitely check out CPI data that's coming out for the CAD. So yeah, there'll be a few things to watch, but definitely not a busy week like we saw last week. So that's it. So thank you very much for your time, guys. Wish you all the best for your trading week, and we'll have another update coming out later today. Mainly just zoning in and tuning into one market, and then I think we may be looking at zinc, or we'll just see how things progress in terms of patterns. So yeah, we'll have another one out a bit later, and until then, we wish you all the best for your trading. Thank you very much for checking out today's video, and good trading to you all, and bye for now.